Welcome to probability video 3.9, arranging people that must sit together side by side or can't sit together side by side. All right, so here's example 9. A group of 6 people are going to see Star Wars: The Last Jedi on Friday, December 15th, 2017. I can't wait for that movie. Anyhow, 2 parts. A, suppose 2 of the 6 are going out and insist on sitting side by side, adjacent to each other for some reason. And how many ways can the 6 be seated in a row with no empty seats in between? Okay, so let's just call the students, or the people, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's say that A and B are the people going out. And if they've got to sit next to each other, well, we're going to block them together. Now it could be, A is on the left or A is on the right. So I've got that arrangement within that block. So it's just like the previous example. So step 1 would be the big blocks, arranging the big blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that would be 5 factorial, times the next step would be arranging within the block. All right, so then the AB block, and there's going to be 2 factorial ways of doing that. All right, and then 5 factorial times 2 factorial comes out to be 240. Okay, not too bad. This problem's a little bit more challenging. So now assume that the 2 that were going out broke up in the middle of the movie. So now they refuse to sit side by side adjacent. So everybody's got to get up and rearrange themselves. And how many ways can the 6 be seated now? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take a slightly different approach. I'm going to draw a set of all possible ways. So the total arrangements. Okay, let's find out what the total arrangements are. Nobody worried about sitting anywhere. Well, there's 6 people, 6 factorial. Okay, and then out of those total arrangements, I could break it down into a binary operation. Either A and B are sitting side by side, or A and B are not sitting side by side. It's the same as either it's going to rain or it's not going to rain. Same concept. So I'll break this set up into 2 parts. So I'll say A and B adjacent, and over here A and B not adjacent. Okay, those are my 2 possibilities. And I know that they have to sum 6 factorial. That's the total possible ways. Oh, we just found out the number of ways that A and B are adjacent. But I want to find out the number of ways that A and B are not adjacent. I can subtract. So I know, I'll just write it the following. I know that the total equals A and B together plus A and B not together. Okay, so I can say 6 factorial equals A and B together, which was 240, plus A and B not together. So to solve for this, I just subtract. So my answer would be A and B not together equals 6 factorial minus 240, and I worked that out already, and I got 480. So there you have it, how to use the product rule, factorials, and even subtraction to find out the number of ways that people can sit side by side or not sit side by side.